Oh, Mike in Ormond Beach. Mike, how are you?
Hey, Basil. Basil, I got into the stock, trading symbol ESV. I guess it's with energy. And I
Yes.
got 200 shares. I think it was around 585. And I sold half of them today when we got above 715. I didn't know whether you think I ought to keep the other half on, or you think, you think we could go much higher with this, or we're just double topping from
So
the
this
top we made a couple of weeks ago.
Ensco PLC new. I guess they must have done something, but it's new. So I would immediately, if you know my work, what I do, let me just double check. I'm going to go A, B, C, D, E. So it makes a peak E on the 21st. Is that 21st? Let me see. A peak E in the Chapman wave methodology on the way up on the 22nd. It goes to $7.60. Then it comes back, and that looks like an A to B equals C to D. That's the lightning bolt pattern. Fails at a peak C in the arch formation right there. Comes down and hits $5. And wow, you got in almost at the low. Very nice. So this is what I'm going to say to you. If you're So 576 was the low on the 15th, and now it's in leg C. I would immediately draw. I wouldn't be able to do it to the bottom. I'd do it here, left side, right side price time match, and I'd go to what I consider the most important bar right there. And I would then go click, click, and I've got the clickers going. And that says by the 2nd of July, that's this coming, there you go. On the 2nd of July, is that Monday or Tuesday? That's Sunday. Wait. I'm getting confused. Oh, it's Monday. By Monday, there's a chance if it closes in the next day and a half. What's today? Well, oh, got time. So if it closes in the next day and a half above, what was the high today? 722?
22, yeah.
If it can close above 722 to 725 any day, in other words, it could even take 2 days to do it. My target would be the left side high that was made on the 20th. Oh, what did I say the date was? On the 22nd of May of 760. Now, one of the things it's too late to do it. You did nothing wrong. You had a plan and you've implemented that plan. What I would have said to you right now is because the strength, the MACD has just crossed positive, days young, but so far it looks very good. And stochastic's rallying. I would have said to you, just raise the stop to about on half the position, or even a third of the position, because it looks very good. I would raise the stop to $6.95 to $7.03, just to kind of lock in a profit. So you've kind of done that already by taking off half the position. I'm going to say to you, hold this position, and something really terrible has to happen for this to break in the next few days below 685, 680 support. That to me would be the support. So I'm ABC. I like what I'm seeing because I think this is trying to go to a leg D in the weekly above that 760 high that was made back on the 22nd of May. I like it very much. And in fact, if it can do that and it can close any week in the next 2 weeks, between this week and next week, above $7, and let's call it $7.65. That monthly chart is going to improve technically a lot. So I like it, and I think that you did exactly the right thing. Good trading, a good eye, and the only other thing I would say to you is, if it does break above that $7, what did I say it was in the short term? $7. I think I said 20, somewhere around 726. You want to actually close above there. On any pullback after that, if it's just a mild pullback, I would add half of the position you took off because there's a real good chance that it's going to try to go for that upper level. Good eye, and I like the stock. I think that you had I don't know how come you chose it?
I don't know. I listened to a couple other different technicians, and it was one they talked about a couple weeks ago, and I kind of had my eye on it. I studied it, and when it got to a decent area where I thought it would be a decent buy, that's where I bought it at. So.
Very good. Okay, I like it. I think you. Another reason why I like it, it just took out all that conglomeration of the trade between $7 and $6.18. It just took it right out. So I like it. I think you like, and I think that crude oil is going to go higher in the shorter term.
Yeah,
So,
and I think when the oil numbers came out, that's really what propelled it up.
oh, okay, good. All right. Well, you've got a winner. Congratulations. And that's really a nice trade, Mike.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for calling. So I had a call.